everyone, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, we're heading straight into our workout and we will be doing a series of 1-minute exercises for 7 minutes straight, and we're starting out with standing crunches.
Boy, you stay upon it. You got the something that keeps me so off balance. Baby, you're a challenge. Let's explore your talent. Hey boy, I really wanna see if you can go downtown with a girl like me. Hey boy, I really wanna be with you, 'cause you're just my type. Oh na 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 na, I need a boy to take it over. Looking for that to put it work up. Oh 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 na na. What's my name? Oh na na. What's my name? Oh na na. What's my name? What's my name? What's my name? Oh na na. What's my name? Oh na na. What's my name? Oh na na. What's my name? What's my name? Hey boy, I really wanna see if you can go downtown with a girl like me. Hey boy, I really.
For our next exercise, we'll be doing side crunches. Make sure to keep your core tight and try your best to have your knees high.
Oh, baby, you got me, and you know that I be. Then with your arms around me, give me right me, yeah. So I surrender to every word you whisper, every time you enter. Take me way past the point of turning me on. You about to break me. I swear you got me losing my mind. Oh na na, what's my name?
Next, we'll be moving into standing oblique twist. Remember to keep your core tight and that you're doing great.
What's my name? Oh na na, what's my name? Oh na na, what's my name? What's my name? What's my name? Hey boy, I really wanna see if you can go downtown with a girl like me. Hey boy, is it just my type? Oh na 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 na, I need a fun to take it up. Give on that, the it work up. Hey boy, I really wanna see if you can go downtown with a girl like me. Hey boy, I really wanna be with you. Is it just my type? Oh na na na, I need a fun to take it up. Give on that, the it work up.
Now we'll start our cross crunch, making sure our core is engaged by keeping it tight, and remember to breathe with both control and ease.
Boy, boy, can you get it up? Come on, boy, boy, boy. Come on, rude boy, boy, boy.
It's your DJ Queen.
Tonight I'ma let you be the captain. Tonight I'ma let you do your thing, yeah. Tonight I'ma let you be a rider. Giddy up, giddy up, giddy up, babe. Tonight I'ma let it be fire. Tonight I'ma let you take me higher. Tonight, baby, we could get it on, yeah. We could get it on, yeah. Do you like it, boy? I want, what you want, want. Give it to me, baby, like boom, boom, boom. What I want is what you want, nah, nah. Come here, rude boy, come here, rude boy, boy. Come here, rude boy, come here, rude boy. Come here, rude boy, come here, rude boy, boy. Come here, rude boy, come here, rude boy. Come here, rude boy, come here, rude boy, boy. Come here, rude boy, come here, rude boy. Come here, rude boy, come here, rude boy, boy. Come here, rude boy, come here, rude boy. Come here, rude boy, come here, rude boy, boy. Come here, rude boy, come here, rude boy. Come here.
Alright everyone, we're halfway there and you're doing great. Now we'll move into knees to elbows. Make sure you keep those knees high, breathing steady, and core tight.
On you, so tell me what you wanna do. I can picture you in my room until the morning. Boy, I got my eyes on you, so tell me what you wanna do. I can picture you in my room until the morning. So tell me what you wanna do. 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 Until the morning. Until the morning. Until the morning. Until the morning. Tell me what you wanna do. Tell me what you wanna do. Tell me what you wanna do.
Now we'll move on to side leg raises. and these target your obliques and lower abs as you keep your core stable. So focus on controlling the lift and feeling your abs engage with each rep.
Usually I don't do it for nobody. When it's something about you that really got me feeling weak. And I'm trying to find the words to speak. Tell me what you wanna do. 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 Tell me what you wanna do.
Alright everyone, we're moving into our last workout and you've been doing amazing. For our final move, grab a weight of some sort for the marching overhead press. Stay strong and finish strong, you've got this.
Tell me what you're thinking about when you get waiting patiently. Usually I don't do it for nobody. When it's something about you that really got me feeling weak. And I'm trying to find the words to speak.
And that's a wrap everyone. You did an incredible job today. Keep up the amazing work and be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so we can continue this journey together.